Hi everyone, today's recipe lava cake. If you wanted to buy this lava cake outside, this will cost is 80 to 90 rupees is there in bakeries. We can do easily at home. Take a half cup of sugar powder it. Then take 150 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve all the ingredients. Then add half cup of sugar powder. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It will give good fragrance to our cake. I'm not using egg here. Take a 3/4 cup of normal milk already boiled. Then again 1/4 cup of milk I'm going to be adding. Then mix it without lumps. In one direction only rotate. Then add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you are using salted butter, please avoid salt 1 pinch. Batter should be this consistency. Then take a mold or any cup, you can use steel cups also. Then grease with butter or oil. Then pour the batter up to half cup. Then tap it. If you find any bubbles, remove it using by toothpick. Then bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 150 degrees. Then I am using here black chocolate. Cut into square shape. My mold is very small, that's why I am cutting into small pieces. Then bring the cake. It is 1/4 only heated. Then place a black chocolate into the chocolate batter. Then press it tightly. Then again bake 15 minutes on 160 degrees. It will be very easy. This is not too much cost. We can get nearly 12 to 15 cupcakes. Sprinkle the sugar powder finally. After cooling only, you can remove from mold. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.